Hey girl, in this video I want to show you this super natural looking, super affordable curly unit that you need right now. So you better run to the link in my description box because it is worth it. So Alipearl sent me this package today, and they sent me some gifts, of course, in the package, like a silk bag and some extra accessories. And they also sent me their wear and go, ready to go curly unit with pre-cut lace, HD lace, super thick, super full, and the curls are incredible. So this is a 4x7 lace closure unit, and inside the cap is an adjustable elastic band and some extra combs, right? So here is me just putting this unit on to see how it fits and everything, and boom, look at this. I was just like, okay girl, I can see, like, I can tell immediately when a unit is good, and this one is good. Okay, you just saw this in real time. I just put this on, and basically I can go out the door like this because it's already looking super cute, but obviously I will not. I will just style this hair a little bit, but honestly this is bomb. Like, I got my got to be glued spray ready, but I don't need it. You don't need it with this type of unit. So I'm just gonna put this away. My hair feels good, the hair cap fits perfect on my head, and I'm good to go. That's the real definition of a wear and go unit, and that's what I love. And I love how thick and full this curly hair is, because sometimes you have curly hair units that are super thin, but this one is it. And the hairline though, let's talk about this hairline. It is a pre-plucked, pre-cut HD hairline, and you can see how neat this is. I love this. You can wear this up in a half up, half down hairstyle. Even though it's a closure wig, you can do this hairstyle because the hairline is so well constructed. I love this unit straight off the bat, girl. This is a very nice unit. So I'm just gonna style this hair real quick. I'm gonna spray some water on it and put some curl defining gel on it, and then obviously I'm going to define these curls. I'm gonna make these curls pop with my tangle teaser. Works like a charm every time. You know, I love to see those curls clump. Oof, the end results are going to be bomb. I know already. Even though this hair is super cute straight out of the box, when you just define the curls with some product and a tangle teaser, yeah, that's when you get to see a real natural looking curly unit. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for all the different sections on this hair. So definitely keep on watching if you want to see the end result.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up.
So this is how the hair looks right now, straight after styling it. And I noticed immediately that there were some strands hanging there for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna cut them real quick, nothing too major, but cutting them was definitely necessary. So this is how my hair is looking now. Straight after styling, my hair is still wet, and cutting those ends was necessary. You can see how neat it looks right now. And here's the hairline again in close up because I love this so much. The curls are popping, the curls are looking so good. Girl, I'm really in love with this unit because it's so convenient. It looks incredibly natural. The curls are super soft and super easy to style. So I'm just quickly diffusing this hair because obviously I want my hair to be dry. In 15 minutes, it was all done. Girl, this hair is incredibly soft. Like, I couldn't stop touching my hair, and I'm not like being extra or exaggerating. This hair really is bomb for the price. Listen, this unit is about $300 or not even $300, and you can get an amazing good quality unit for that price. So you better check out my description box. You better check out the link because it's definitely worth it. Okay, you can see the natural light. This is a HD camera. I cannot lie, it looks good, right? I always love me some good quality curly hair that is easy to install. The hairline is bomb, and I can just put the wig on and go. Girl, what else do I need more? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you, sis. You know that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.